2, 3.
Hey y'all, welcome to another weekend vlog. Weekend vlog. Me and Bae is beefing, y'all.
No, we not. Like, Bae, chill.
Me and Bae beefing, y'all.
No, we not.
We beefing, and I'm finna let him tell y'all why we beefing.
No, we not.
But I'll tell y'all, I'll let him tell y'all after. But we about to go out for dinner because he got me mad, and he gonna make sure he spoils his spoiled girl. But I'm gonna tell y'all
You
why.
made me mad. I'm taking you to dinner, but women powerful as fuck.
But anyways, we going to Longhorn to have some dinner, and we might go out to vibe later on. But I'll let you
I'm
guys.
going out to vibe.
For this, thank you so much. It's an honor to. I mean, this is my first award show that I'm winning something.
I thought you wore
I
two.
just want to use this opportunity to speak to every single young, old, whatever, every single woman
She look high.
watching this,
She
every
is.
single girl watching this at home.
We watching the BET, y'all.
Showing that body edible.
I'm from Lagos, Nigeria. This is a dream.
Let me show y'all.
Watching me, I want you to imagine
What if I'm not
dedicating this
talented?
to every single young woman, every artist, everybody that is striving and dares to dream. I dare you to get up from your seat and go for your dream and fight for yourself, because you can do it. You can
Right.
do it. You can be here.
Oh, that sounds big as fuck. What happened? That bitch, biggest stake in the game. I ain't get it. That bitch big as fuck.
Put her on blast though. But this her last one. And be like you traveling with your family right now. Cause you know he gonna be like, can you go? Nope.
No, I know we got this for a minute and we going in, but
Hey
you
y'all.
just came in from out of town. I'm playing. Hey, what's you looking at?
I'll be back, y'all. Hey y'all. So we just finished having dinner. You like their food, babe?
Yeah, I like it.
You want to tell her why you mad at me or why I'm mad at you?
I'm not mad. Tell them mad about what? It's my personal business.
Oh, we keeping it personal, y'all. Keeping it personal. But Bae treated me to dinner because he got me mad.
No, you
making
stabbed
up.
me.
And he was making up.
I wasn't making up. I was gonna go eat by myself with you tagged along for me.
So we about to I'm about to show y'all my perfume, what I bought in Texas. I gotta go pick it up from Cindy, Big C. Y'all already know Big C. I gotta go pick it up from Big C because she had to bring it in a plane for me because I ain't want to pay for check-in bags. So she brought it for me. So we about to go pick it up at Big C's right quick. Or whatever. Talk to you guys in a minute. This look kind of oh, I gotta clean my mirror, y'all. There you go. Well, talk to you guys in a minute, y'all. I don't talk to y'all all blurry and stuff.
Yo, getting money.
Hello, goddesses and queens. It is your girl Yee, and welcome back to another day of the vlog. It's the weekend vlog, y'all. It's the weekend vlog, and honestly, we ain't got much planned but errands and stuff like that. But guess what? Y'all gonna come along. Y'all gonna come along, okay? So it's Saturday. Let me tell y'all how my morning been already, y'all. It is what? 12 o'clock. I was supposed to go into the office to do some overtime today, y'all. Got in my car, cranked it, and the bitch wouldn't turn on. My car did not turn on.
I fixed
So
I'm gonna look at it.
laid back down, went back to sleep. Now we up again and we're gonna try this again. So what we gonna do, I'm gonna do two things before I leave the house. And y'all gonna come along. But So we gotta go to Honda to see, cause this solid circle red dot came up in my car, and when I read the manual book, it was saying that it might be something with the keys. Keep in mind, my keys haven't worked properly for like over a year, babe, right?
Huh?
My keys to the car haven't worked.
Fucked up for a minute.
It been fucked up for a minute, and suddenly it just stopped working. But they say that if it's not working properly, it might stop my car from working, turning on. So we're gonna go to Honda and see what they talking about. I might look at some other cars. But and then I gotta go see, because I got a big old pop-up shop in a couple of weeks on the 23rd, y'all. Oh, I can't wait. My goal is to sell out everything. A lot of my things is gonna be on clearance, like must-go item, like must-go prices type stuff. And I'm already looking for the fall stuff, so I'm excited about that. But anyway, so that, and then I want to do something with Eli today. I want to take him to Chuck E. Cheese or something, or to like Hands Museum. I think they close at 5. So I'm gonna do something with Eli today. I think I'm gonna take him to Hands Museum. That's gonna be cute. Hands On Museum. So we might do that with Eli today, and then and that's pretty much it. I want to go get a juice. Let me show you. I am very happy with my body right now, y'all. But I think I decided to do something. But I am very happy with my body right now, y'all. I lost, like I told y'all, when I came back from the trip, I was 203 pounds. Okay, let me show y'all where I'm at now. Okay, hold on. Let me show y'all. I'll be right back. All right, y'all. Let me show y'all where I'm at today. Okay, 198 pounds, so which means I lost about 5 pounds since I came back home. Yay! Right, so I did lost about 5 pounds since I came back home. I'm 198 pounds today, which is Saturday. Came back home Sunday, was on a diet Monday. So in 5 days, I lost 5 pounds. And all I've been doing is pretty much watching what I'm eating, trying to eat right. I think a lot of it had to do with alcohol intake over the weekend and stuff like that. So I've been drinking a lot of water, drunk a lot of detox teas. Every morning I drank detox teas this week. And like yesterday was a cheat day, so I had tacos, and then that night I had steak salad. Y'all seen that from Longhorn or whatever. But I'm still eating. I'm just watching what I'm eating. It's just like, I think I'm like yesterday at Longhorn, I actually had 1 glass of wine. So that's the only thing I'll probably be drinking if I do drink. But I'm going to try to stay away from drinking. But just been trying to watch what I'm eating pretty much. I'm not really doing anything like crazy. During work time, I normally don't eat. But I do take like earlier this week, I took boiled eggs to work. So if I do get hungry, instead of me finding something to eat, because what I normally would do, I'll go to 7-Eleven and get chips and stuff like that. So I'm not doing that. So I take something, some grapes, some eggs, whatever. So if I do get hungry, I eat that, or drink water, or drink a tea, or whatever, drink coffee, shit. Okay? Because like I said, I'm not doing nothing crazy. I'm just watching what I'm eating and how much I'm eating. But yeah, so we gonna get ready to go outside, run these errands, see what's going on with this car, because I need my car. I was supposed to do overtime and wasn't able to do that. Now I got a folder full of work gonna be waiting for me, and I gotta get done with it, like, so which means I'm gonna have to do overtime next week. Like, I might have to do it, and I'm gonna have to like make time in between work to complete my assignments, because I wasn't able to do it today, which sucks. But we'll get it done. We gonna get extra money regardless. So either way, even if I have to go in like an hour early. Now I'm rambling, but anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. Hey y'all, so we going.
Go in that bedroom, what?
Eli.
Step 1. How y'all doing?
Talk.
Hold it. Hold it. Old nigga, so old nigga. It's Henny in this.
We going
He like
out.
going in your, he like your car.
Let me show y'all what my car doing. Babe, you ever seen what the car was doing?
Oh no, I ain't see. Let me.
He loud, rapping at the bicycle, y'all.
Only in the black community. No, everybody niggas do that.
Let me show y'all what the car doing, y'all. Like, this is ridiculous. And keep in mind, Daddy just fixed his car not too long ago.
Right, I do. I might have to do that
Like
again,
probably
man.
3
Fix
weeks
it.
ago. And now my car tripping.
And tell them how
And
many
keep in
times
mind-
we get these damn tires
Right.
replaced.
My tire done
Let's
messed
see
up
what it do though.
thousands of times. Hold on a second.
Alright, now what you saying? What?
You see that? Is it like, you see that dot right there, that red dot?
Yeah.
If you look in the book, you will see where it say that. Let me show y'all that. You see? I think it's the keys.
It cranked up, eh?
Babe, but still, I think we should still go to Honda.
It cranked up. Look at that. What? She ain't want to go to work. If your boss watching this, you ain't want to go to work.
I did. It wasn't turning on.
Oh, look. We still can go get you a new key and tell them that it's met. But look, babe, yeah, you. How many times you tried? You probably tried one time.
I tried 2 times.
You ain't tried. Like, babe. They be lying. I'm thinking your car.
Okay, babe. So let's go see what the key, because I think it is the key though.
You gonna go in your car though. Now
What
we
if-
still go in my car, but it'd be better if they seen it. Let's crank it up good.
What you doing? Putting it in the car?
Huh?
Putting in the keys real good?
Babe, all I'm doing is turning it like a human. And you got a full tank of gas. Shit. No, look, babe. Come here. You take the
Okay,
key.
I'll be back, y'all. Okay.
Take key.
Take the key
Put it in the ignition.
in the ignition
And turn.
and turn.
And it cuts on.
Man, I don't have my car for 5 years. I know how to turn on the damn car.
I can do that same way. You just put it in and it turn. I don't know what you'll do. Now you take it off. We can still go on my car, but you do it. Try. You try.
Okay, let me try.
Eli. Oh.
Y'all, I'm for real, y'all. It's the key.
down.
Something wrong with my key, okay? You see, he wasn't doing that earlier. Bruh, I swear, I tried to go to work this morning.
You know what? Probably when you did it, when I first did, you see how I did that light. And I took it out, let it sit for a minute, stuck, and then I really turned. That's it. Put some gas to it, like.
It ain't the gas, it ain't the
No,
battery.
I'm just gonna put it this. So like, what was that? When you did that?
That's the accelerator.
No, hit it. Let me hear it. Put your foot on it and put some gas to it, but let me hear it. So it got some. Yeah, it don't need the battery good.
No, the battery good.
It'll start to sound good, but it's starting up. So it might be the key.
So we should still go to Honda
Ah, shit.
to see what they say about the key?
Yeah, but if they say like hundreds of dollars, then we know we can get that later.
Right.
But at least we know it's working. All right, come on. So yeah.
Or should we just go get batteries for the key?
Oh, what size? I got batteries. Oh, that's all your key
Y'all,
need?
we'll be back. Maybe, I don't know, man. Yeah, but I want like 2022. Like these 2022, man. That's a Mazda.
You like that? It's like a, what's it called? SUV size.
Yeah.
Oh, you want that right there?
Where?
What do you
look
what style
like
of car you
employee
want?
cars.
What kind of style of car you want? He put it right there.
Come on, Elijah.
I like that.
Which one?
I don't know. I like that. But
This one right here?
yeah, that one nice.
I don't
But
know.
this right here nice too, but it's just like the car, just a little bit. The rims is nice.
These all 2020s too, 2022.
Oh, you got the touch screen and shit. Like, yeah, look how nice that is. This is real, and the color is nice. This is real nice. Oh yeah, I'm driving this.
Oh, but I like these seats. These seats, they kids approved. You can just wipe them off.
I like this
That's what I
color.
look at.
Stop.
He said this the Honda Civic. They smaller too. This look like somebody's grandma car.
That car nice.
I know.
I want to get away from that dark blue.
You want me to have a lighter color?
I mean, like this color nice, or
Ooh, sorry.
Or silver. I know red is gonna be more insurance.
Let me see that red one.
oh no, but
I
you
like-
over 30, you 35 yeah. For young kids, that be like what, 20 something.
What?
Higher insurance with a red car.
Oh, they do it? Like with bright colors?
Yeah, if you're under a certain age, you gotta pay more if you're younger. This red nice.
Hey y'all, so we made it home after doing a little car window shopping. And a good conversation just came up from me and the hubby. About P-Valley. Should a black man watch,
Straight black man.
should straight black males watch P-Valley? So they was telling me,
Or
So
if you are a straight black man who watch the, what does that mean? What you going?
like, so tell me what you seen online. Like, first of all, let's talk about P-Valley. So what is P-Valley?
Go ahead. It's supposed to be a.
P-Valley is a show.
It's supposed to be based out of what, New Orleans, right? Or Mississippi, somewhere. I think Mississippi, New Orleans, one of them like real country places. And it's supposed to be based off a strip club. That's why I got intrigued. I'm like, oh shit, it got a whole bunch of women in strip clubs. I'm like, okay, it's a strip club show. I never really seen a show about a strip club. And then I first seen, I'm like, okay, because it didn't have all that extra stuff in it.
Right.
And then when it did start getting in the first season with him, with Lil Murder and what's his name,
Well, Murder is a rapper.
and the man, I was like, okay, maybe they trying to. I was like, okay, they going too far. But then it kept going more and more. I'm like, damn. And then now it's like this season is just all the way.
Right.
Like,
So now Lil
none of
Murder,
the show strippers no more.
Lil Murder, this season has had like multiple male encounters,
Right.
sexual encounters,
And it's intense.
and they showing a lot of it. And then last season, the show was more so of the strippers and their struggles.
Right. It
But
really
then-
was.
But this season, it's more so on the gay.
Men in their struggles or something.
Right.
Like the writer's saying, let's. Maybe because it is LGBT more pushed now and Pride Month is here now. So it's like they have an audience now. Maybe that's a show. Maybe the new season or that show gonna turn into a show for them.
Right.
Like put it this way. What's the man named RuPaul, the drag show?
Mhm.
I have never watched that show. I see my mama liking that. I might, if I say I at her house and she watching this on TV, that's the only time you see it. But she likes that show.
Right.
But it catering to people who like want to see that. So maybe P Valley can turn into a show where it's catering to the LGBT, like, and that's their show.
Right.
So that's where it ties into what you're saying. They're saying that straight black men shouldn't be watching that because it's not a show for us.
Right.
We straight black men. Why we want to see black men kissing each other and showing all this other stuff.
Right.
That's like I have never, and it's a popular movie. I have never seen this movie. 'Cause I was like, I'm not interested.
Moonlight.
No, I seen Moonlight, but I didn't know that all that was gonna happen. But what's the movie called? Brokeback Mountain. I have never seen that movie
Right.
because they say it's gonna be two men fall in love with each other. I'm like, the hell I'm gonna watch this for? It's not my. I don't want to watch it.
Right.
So, but I didn't. But I knew that was gonna happen, so I didn't watch it.
Right.
I don't,
No.
I don't know about people. It's hard.
I
to say.
know.
I don't. Go ahead, baby.
You were saying that somebody online was saying that you shouldn't watch it if you can't watch it with your sons.
Right.
Well, I disagree with that one because
Of
I
age,
feel
though. So it's like, let's say your son is like, let's say 12 or 13. Like, I don't think he mean like 6 years old, but like old enough to watch the show with their dad. Like your son 10. Like, let me watch the show with you.
right, which I disagree with that statement because I feel like as women, there's plenty of shows we have watched that we wouldn't allow our 14, 15-year-old daughter to watch with us because it's not
Like Sex and
the
the City.
appropriate show for them to watch. But it doesn't mean that now we're curious to go do what we've seen on TV. It's just not the appropriate thing for that child
Right.
at that age to watch.
And maybe a kid can be influenced by that. Too,
Right.
'cause they younger.
Right.
I'm in the middle. I do agree that you should be able to watch stuff with your kid, but then it's an age limit to what. But let's say like, what's an adult show, but you can still watch as a kid, like Moesha or the Wayans Brothers, Jamie Foxx show. They had a little cursing and it's funny, but you can watch that with your 14, 15-year-old son.
Yeah, it wasn't no real sex scene in it or nothing like that.
But they did talk about sex. It did get like it's mature.
Right.
But this show is like going in. Like,
Right.
good example. We wouldn't let, even though they do sneak and watch that show, because that other show with that Disney Channel girl, yeah,
Right.
that's very sexual, and it got all gay, straight,
Right.
and it just, and I won't want no child watching that either.
I remember my dad used to get mad at me for watching The Charms, the Witch Sisters.
Yeah, because it's teaching kids about. Cause I know,
Right. But that's my favorite show. But
my grandma felt some type of way when we used to watch like Harry Potter. Because old school people know that's like witchcraft. You know, they real superstitious. They real religious. So they like Harry Potter, Charm, that type of stuff is like black magic. So they, you know, old school people was like, that's voodoo and all that. They was scared of that type of stuff. So, and them shows really wasn't bad, but they didn't like the magic part of it. So you couldn't watch that around them.
right.
But look, you will let your daughter watch Charm, right? And you have nothing bad about that, right? But you
I
want
don't know.
You won't want her to watch Sisters or something. What's the show that you Sisters or that's
Sisters.
That's like sex. You won't want her to watch that,
Right.
but she can watch Charm.
Well, I don't know. She can't watch both of them. She can't watch both of them.
She'd have watched Sister and Moesha.
Yeah, she can watch those. Yeah.
And some people might be like, well, that's not her age, but that's not. It says teenage shit. 'Cause they be kissing on her and
Right.
they might have a boyfriend or something. You know what I'm saying? But that's not a bad show.
Now, what I would say is that I think straight men's or men's period shouldn't watch that show only because I feel as if
She don't watch what show?
the P Valley show, only because I feel like it's an agenda behind it. I feel as if with everything with, and no offense to my LBGQYN ABC people, because I love you guys. Hell, I'm even a part of it sometimes, depending on what night you catch me on. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, for real? No, I'm playing.
But I feel like it's an agenda towards black men to what I said earlier, babe, to
Emasculate and feminize us as men, as
right.
masculine.
And I also feel like it's another way of killing black men, because we all know that HIV and AIDS is high risk in being in that. Being in that community. So I feel as if it's a setup or whatever, but I also feel as if a straight man should know their sexuality and should be confident in their sexuality. So if they do get tempted to touch because of show, to me, you always had an intention in there anyway. So
ain't no show gonna make you wanna do that. Like, let's say if it's a show, an underage show about little girls on it, and then the man's wondering, I seen this show, so I want to go talk to those underage girls.
Right,
You didn't want to do that,
right?
So if you really a hardcore man, and you tell me a show on TV make you be like, you know what, homeboy, I want to try something with nigga. What?
Right.
Your homeboy being lit.
Right.
He being looking at you. But it was intense though, like, cause it was. But then I seen another post and all that. She was like, "Girl, I've been trying to tell y'all for years. That's how they be." Right. She was like, when they be butt buddies or they homeboys, like when men want to hang out with their homeboys more than you, this what they doing. I'm like, see, that's the rhetoric coming out too now. Like, some men truly got homeboys they just cool with. I got a best friend, me and him, when we cool, we don't hang out like that no more. Cause since we grown, I'm married, we try to. When we was young, let's say we was hanging out every day. Right. So you think women was thinking like, like no, like some men truly is not like you got true friends. But he came to, like, my friend came to, our wedding, like, he's a friend. Your friends came to wedding, that's what friends do. They be with you when you was a kid and they see it grow up and you get married, like, be happy for you. Right. But, I ain't gonna lie, it is some men who are like that too though, who be best friends and they be. I ain't here to judge. But that shit is weird. Like that is a very like what's the word? It's like a very like it's a kept secret in the black community because we know it's homosexuality in the black community and we know dudes be doing that too. Some dudes be looking hard as hell and be gay.
Right.
And it's just like uncles touching the nieces and it's like we know that's in our community but we keep that like on the hush. Like oh my uncle touched me when I was younger. Like that's happened. We know that but we just don't put it on Front Street.
Right.
So it's like we know it's gay black men who got the dreads or just tatted up and look like oh that he'll never be that. But behind closed door he.
Right.
Because.
But I have also heard people say like black men be bisexual just as black women, just as much as black women, or just like I won't even say no color, but men be as bisexual as
women.
As women.
I never heard that. Cause I know growing up, growing up, if you was like that, you would got beat up. They make fun of you. Nowadays, it's like it's more accepting. That's one thing I can't say. This generation is more accepting. Like. A boy come out gay at an early age, he can go talk to other gay men. He can go talk to people. People gonna be like, well, man, bro, that's your prayer. I ain't no judging you. Let that happen 30, 40 years ago. You would get your head knocked in. Saying this shit. Like, your daddy would beat you. They would beat the gay out of you. I remember that growing up.
Right.
Like, if somebody was fruity, their daddy would kick him out of school, kick him out. Their mom be doing hard, and they still turn out fruity. So, I would say it's better now the kids can come out. But it's like they cool with it now. It's like you still gotta be like, all right. I don't know. That's a touchy subject because it's everywhere now to the point. It's like, is it okay to be a straight man? It's like
right.
I like women. I don't have to. I'm not judging you. I could be cool with you.
And it also make it harder for straight men to just be like normal in a sense. Like to be a straight man now, you have to have all these guidelines. And if you pass this one guideline, oh. You gay. Like, no, like...
Are you homophobic? That's
are
the
you
word.
homophobic? Or, like, it's, like, very, like... Even, like, the Boosie shit, like...
People call
he ain't got nothing
now.
Against gay man,
Right.
but it's just certain things he don't want to see.
Right.
It's nothing wrong with what he be saying. I mean, it's something wrong with what he be saying because he says it wrongly, but the point of what he be saying is cool because it's, like, as a heterosexual man, I don't want to see niggas kissing on the stage.
But remember you said this to me? Who Boosie act like? The old black uncles. Growing black people just like every other race. You got gay people in your race. You got people who touching kids. You got the straight people. You got baby mamas, baby. You got you got all these different people. Boosie just another format. That come on, like you don't think gay boys grew up with uncles and be like, boy, what you doing? Like it was hard on them.
Right.
They still probably love their uncle, but they know the respect. I ain't gonna bring that around my uncle.
Right.
Like he gay, like well, I don't. You can do that, nephew, but just don't bring that around me. And he respect his uncle.
Exactly.
That's not that right there. That's respect. Cause you know my uncle don't want to see that. And cause I remember that we used to have cookouts. We had a gay cousin, and he would come. If he did come with his boyfriend, they wasn't hugging and kissing. It was okay. This is my friend. He would say this is my friend. They would stay. You know what I'm saying? It would be cordial. There's nothing wrong with that. Even as husband and wife, I ain't kissing her all in front of her family and stuff. I mean, you know what I'm saying? We don't do that.
Yeah, exactly. It's respect.
It's respect. That's it. But see, last thing, that's what with gay people today, they feel like they got to be so open with it. There's respect levels. We don't even kiss in front of 5-year-old kids out in the street. So why would they want to see two of the same sex do it?
Right.
So just keep it. Not saying you can't be proud of who you are.
Right.
But you don't have to, like, they show it everywhere, like, and then if you don't agree with it, oh, you homophobic.
Right.
Oh, you being wrong. They cancel you.
Right. Right. And that's it, y'all. So y'all tell us, what do y'all think? Do y'all think that straight men... Oh, you got something else to say?
No, we never said what it was called, too.
What?
About, like, the man was saying, like, remember Lil Duval was saying that was too much?
Yeah, so what they were saying on the YouTube, right? Because I don't know.
So it's a dude I follow. He got a lot of followers.
What's his name? Oh, you don't know his name?
I forgot his name. Look, what they promoting?
As
we speak about it, like, show, you know what I'm saying?
Look, they got a eHarmony commercial and 2 men kissing on the TV.
And it's what? They always make sure to make
one black man.
They always make sure.
Yeah, it's always a black man. I feel like they doing that shit to
Why can't it just be 2 white dudes?
Listen,
And he was and the black man was the more like the feminine,
more feminine one.
The woman.
Yeah.
Didn't know that.
Yeah. I feel like it's an agenda. But that's a conversation with your close friends and some weed. That's that deep conversation.
You just saying that black men should boycott or protest about watching. Like, no, he's saying we should go around. No black man should watch P Valley, just stuff like that. And
Right.
I actually watched the show, and I like the show because of the rap, but it's just getting intense. But it's like I feel like I'm cool with my sexuality. It's not gonna make me want to go kiss a homeboy. I mean. If that show make you do that, you been thinking that. Like you go watch First 48 and go kill somebody. Oh, the show made me shoot somebody.
That's a great example. Shit, I watch First 48 every day, but I ain't gonna lie. Every time I watch First 48, I just think somebody gonna set me up. But I be watching everything, so it do get to your mind somehow, some way.
Right.
It don't make me want to go kill somebody.
On them crime shows, you know, the
those
women
crime
kill
shows
husband,
I be watching,
cheat,
I be feeling like okay, I be more paranoid. So I say that to say that TV shows do influence how you think more or whatever.
Right. My mama ain't killed my stepdaddy yet. Shit, she that's her favorite show. She watch crime shows. The man,
right?
Back what's called it. The husband is this like, and it's just people like they shows. That don't mean you gonna be it affects you, but it don't make you.
It doesn't affect you to do it.
And if it does, you already had that. We already had that intentions.
Right. Right.
That's a good one. Right.
That's a good conversation, y'all. But we just ate. We had some sushi. I had my leftover salad
you eat all
from
my
Longhorn.
No, you don't want sushi.
And then I had some sushi.
Eat some over here.
And Daddy got some chicken hibachi.
Uh-oh.
And Eli fussing.
He recording.
Let's go see what Eli doing, y'all. Come on.
Don't forget about me.
Oh, shit. Oh. Eli eating hibachi, too. Let's go see what he doing. Ooh. What happened? You cleaned up that room, your size?
Ma'am?
And what's up with your clothes? What about the one in the washer? You ate all your food. You was not playing.
Eli ate it all?
Yeah. Say hi. But all right, y'all. I'm finna take a nap and relax. Talk to you guys later. Hey, y'all. Welcome to Sunday vlog. So I just did some grocery shopping. You just want to show out. Yeah, my husband showing out, honey. I don't know. But, child, I'm cleaning out our deep freezer. We got plenty of, you see what the problem is, these kids don't like cooking. I still got french fries. They don't like cooking, so they don't be getting food here. They be food here, and they be like, oh, we don't got no food, and there's plenty of food in here. We're just taking the time to take stuff out and cook. But I'm going to give you a quick little grocery haul. So, of course, we got our famous frozen pizza.
Yeah.
What else? We got some chips. Because I'm going to make a chicken dip with some chips for a snack while I cook dinner today. You see, this is some french fries that was here already. I think I'm going to take, look, french fries and chicken tenders. I bought this when I went out of town so they won't have to buy no food and they have food here. See it here. Good thing I only bought one pack of waffles because I I bought waffles today too. I like these sauces. These things still here. A lot of this stuff I'm gonna take to work because I like breakfast. That's my favorite meal.
Breakfast is the most important time of the day.
Alright. I bought some veggies for my dinner tonight. Eli likes strawberries. I bought strawberries when I went out of town. They let them spoil, but that's Eli's favorite fruit, strawberries. After school, I like cutting up some strawberries and giving him like chips or something for a snack. So I bought more strawberries. I have never really been a big fan of like frozen veggies, but these Bristol sprouts in the air fryer is so good. But today for dinner I'm gonna make steam. I'm gonna do the broccoli. But air fryer Brussels sprout, 100% recommended. I bought some canned goods, some corn, some green beans, and some black beans. I bought some meat, some chicken and stuff. This is actually goes in the regular refrigerator. I put all my frozen food in the deep freezer and like my actual meat in the regular refrigerator.
Thank you.
I don't think I really bought a lot of frozen stuff. I never buy soda, y'all, but this was one of my favorite sodas growing up, and it was buy one get one free. It's the Tropical Island soda. Check. Tell me what y'all know about that. Tell me what you know about that. Oh, I've been in Jacksonville too long. Too long. Y'all hear what I'm singing? Hell to the no. Hell to the no, no, no. What, E? Want more meat for us to cook. Go, Eli, come inside. I bought rice because we ran out of rice. I seen an empty bag of rice the other day, so I'm assuming we ran out of rice.
I got everything.
Help me put up this stuff. Put all this canned goods in there. This goes there. I don't think I bought a lot of frozen stuff. So this is all the back seat, everything, the front seat.
The front seat?
Front seat stuff.
I got back seat in the trunk already on my Amazon.
There's I think there's a bag or two in the front seat. Unless Mr. Wayne got it. No, the eggs and stuff is in the front seat. But alright guys, let me go ahead and try to put these things up because I'm also cleaning up the refrigerator. And I'll be right back. Hey y'all, checking in with you guys. Eli got a new tablet. Let me
Please,
show you.
let the world know he not playing with
Eli,
that. You want to open
you got
now?
a new tablet?
Good, put it on the table. Uh-oh! And put on his favorite show.
Got on his favorite show,
What is it
Paw
called?
Patrol.
Paw Patrol?
Yeah, Paw Patrol. Okay, his dad trying to set it up. Can't even finish setting it up.
I feel like I'm 65.
You tired? I can't get you in the camera.
Oh no, babe, go ahead, do your thing.
Look.
Alright, I'm out. Every time you see.
That'll be short out. Let me show you guys. I just finished cooking dinner. But y'all ready to eat or y'all gonna wait about an hour?
I mean, you just gave us an appetizer. I'm still full from that. Like another hour, I'll be ready.
Okay.
You showed them what you made, the appetizer?
I'm gonna show y'all what I made y'all in a minute. My feet hurting.
Sit down. Back to the grind tomorrow.
Right, back to the job tomorrow. Back to the
I wanna do this.
J to the motherfucking old motherfucking beep beep
I ain't
beep.
going nowhere tomorrow.
Mm-mm.
Let me stop.
You going to the room?
Oh, let's go sit down.
You finished that movie?
You wanna watch? I can start it over. It's
yeah,
like not even like halfway, so I can start it over now. Come on.
Okay, let me show them
And
what
then probably after that we can eat.
Okay.
Cause it's
Let me show y'all what I cooked today. I cooked meatloaf, seafood rice, mac and cheese, broccoli. Let me show y'all right quick. I wonder how much video I got because I'm about done recording for the day. But hold on, y'all. Let me show y'all. All right, y'all. So here's the broccoli. Here's the seafood rice. The mac and cheese. And that is the meatloaf. I don't know if I can show you. Can y'all see it? Ugh. Oh, sorry. Meatloaf. And that is our Sunday dinner. Gonna do some bread when they're ready to eat. And then this was some chicken buffalo dip that they had earlier. So yeah, dinner gonna be good as hell. Hey y'all, so I wanted to come on here and tell y'all I actually went to TJ Maxx earlier today, and I got a couple of things. I got a couple of body washes, like the same body washes that I got last time, the lavender and matte. I got another one that was rose oil for $5. I got a couple of makeup wipes. And then I got look at that number 11111. And then that's all I can remember. Some hand soap, some hand wash and stuff like that. But I also got this foot mask, and then I got this under eye pads. So I'm gonna do the foot mask because after my Texas trip, I got a pedicure before Texas, but I don't know, probably because we was doing a lot of walking or whatnot. But after my after the Texas trip, my feet being a little bit rough than what I like, and I just haven't been able to go get another pedicure. Probably in a couple of weeks.
Are you getting another one, baby?
I think so, just to see if it smooths out. But
Shit, let me daddy know.
But until I'm able to get a pedicure, I'm gonna do this soothing lavender foot mask. It has shea butter and sunflower seed oil, and it's supposed to smoothing and soften your feet and eases tired feet. Keep in mind, guys, I'm flat-feeted, and also when I walk, my toes go like this. So I put a lot of strength on my heels, so my feet always feel like super tired. So let's see what this is all about. So you put it on and you leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. But you want to do a foot mask too?
Foot mask? What that could do for your feet?
It soothes it. This is how it looks. And it smells good. It smells like lavender. It smells good.
Oh yeah, that smells good.
It smells real good, y'all. So, let's see.
That's what we'll do. I'll take us to get pedicures, not the next week.
Okay.
Like, not, you know what I'm saying, not next week, but the next
For the
time.
following week.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or just you, because I like it, but
Yeah, you get it, man. You ain't gotta get your...
I just ain't with all that, get my nails painted.
And I'm you ain't gotta get your nails painted, man.
No,
You didn't get your nails painted last time.
I'll play. I know they can just wash it and do the shit.
Right. So this how it look, y'all, when it's on. like a socks. Like you got on the white socks. It smells really, really good, y'all. I ain't gonna front. Oh, and then, FYI, hold on, let me put this one on before I tell y'all. I just took a shower, so my feet is clean. So you have to wash your feet and dry your feet to take any oils or any residue off your feet. So I just took a shower, I wiped it, and that's why I'm doing it. So pretty much wash and dry your feet thoroughly to remove any moisture. Insert the feet inside the foot mask. Leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. Massage any excessive product into the skin for a long-lasting hibernation. Okay, so you don't, after you take it off, you don't rinse it off. You just massage it and leave it alone. Okay, and then you guys know I have these underlines that I really don't like, so I'm always trying new stuff for my underlines. This infused to help improve the appearance on skin. Helps reduce puffiness and dark under eye circles. Hydrates and renew delicate skins. Okay. And this has rose water, colinin, and rose water. Okay. So pretty much you're gonna put this under your eyes for about 15 minutes. So today is Sunday, self-care day. This is all about self-love, y'all. Like, you gotta make sure that you're okay mentally, you know, physically and spiritually. Okay, so this is all about self-love. Make sure that you're okay. You know, make sure you check up on you. Make sure that you speak to yourself. Speak positive and manifest positive things into your life. But not only that, you got to make sure that you do certain things to make you feel good and remain feeling good. Losing weight, getting pedicures, manicures, you know. And if you can't afford it, or you just, like, it's a Sunday, I didn't want to be in people's shop, you do little stuff like this at home. It is okay. This is all about self-love. Love yourself. You deserve it. You work hard. And if you don't love yourself, how you gonna expect others to love you? Especially love you the right way on how you want to be loved, you know? So you have to know how to love yourself to show others what love you expect from them. Alright guys, so I'm going to leave both of these stuff on. I'm going to leave the mask on for 30 minutes. I'm going to leave this on for 15 minutes. I'll check in with you guys once that time is up. Talk to you guys in a minute.